We'll guide you through how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because you're then unable to go and open it up and go and get the apps you want, or there may be another reason why you're trying to go and access it. But we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing it, and then hopefully you'll be able to go and open it again. Make sure it's full guide and you don't skip anything, as we're covering different methods throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's get into this. What you want to do first of all is go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom and open up your settings. Alternatively, you can go and search for settings at the top. When they open up, come to the left and find the option Time and Language. Then you want to go and find Date and Time and click there. What you want to do is make sure that it's being set automatically. So you can switch that on. If it's incorrect here, that can go and cause problems with the store. Make sure it's set correctly there. Next, what you want to do is you want to go and open up your search again and type in Task Manager. Alternatively, you can press Control-Alt-Delete. Then you'll get a list of options and you can open up Task Manager there. At the top, you can press Search and you want to go and type in Store or Microsoft Store. And if you see any background processes, select it and you want to press End Task like so. If there are multiple, go and end them. And then what you can do is go and press Search at the bottom and you can try opening up the store and hopefully now it will go and open. If it does, great. If you still find that it doesn't, for the next fix, what you want to do is you want to go and press on Search at the bottom again and type in Settings, or however you want to get your settings. Go over to the left and you want to go and find Apps. And then in here, you need to go and find Installed Apps. Wait for this to load. And then what we need to do is actually head to the bottom of the list, but it needs to load first. The quickest way is to hold the line over to the right, drag it all the way down to System Components and click there. In here, you need to go and find Microsoft Store. You can press the three dots to the right and press Advanced Options. Scroll down and you can go and press Terminate like so to go and fully close it. And then in Reset, you can go and press Repair. Wait for this to go and load. When that's run through, you then want to go and press on Reset, confirm the decision. And that's now completed. What you can do is close out of this and you can try opening up the store again. Hopefully now it will then go and open. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing you can try doing is pressing Search at the bottom and you can type in Run and click here. Alternatively, to open this, press the Start key and R together and you'll get a pop-up. And then in here, you want to go and type in WS Reset like so. And you want to go and press OK. This will then go and run and that may go and open up the store. That just goes and refreshes things there. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it's not working, what we're going to try doing is pressing Search again at the bottom, type in Windows PowerShell and right click on it and press Run as Administrator. You'll get a Windows security pop-up you need to go and agree to. Now in the description, there's going to be some different lines you can copy. So we're going to copy the first one. And then to go and paste in here, you simply right click and you can then press Enter and let that run. And then what we're going to do is there's another line you can go and copy. And we go and copy that. And then what you can do is then go and paste this in like so. Press Enter. And now that's gone and ran. And what you can try doing is opening up the store. And hopefully now it's going to go and be working. Hopefully you can now go and access it and go and get the apps you want. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.